B&M Waste have been established for more than 60 years now, and recycling has always been at the heart of what they do. It was the natural progression for their sustainability programme to want to become carbon neutral. B&M Waste services have been carbon neutral now for 5 years. The carbon neutral process has 3 steps. It involves the measurement of the carbon footprint done on an annual basis, putting together a carbon management plan, that's of all the internal things they're going to do to reduce the emissions, and things included within that will be to optimise their fleet, electric vehicle introduction, route planning, and the third element is offsetting with recognised international projects. Most recently, B&M Waste have selected a landfill gas reclaim project based in Turkey as their carbon offset. Their offsets are equivalent to over 8,250 flights from Heathrow to New York return. B&M Waste have reduced their carbon emissions by 30% since 2011. They've offset 14,250 tonnes of CO2 over that time, and their offsets have been made in 12 different countries. B&M Waste have planted 200 trees in 2 different locations, first of all at Clare House and also at NHS client site. B&M Waste are greener, and this helps their clients and customers as well to be greener. As part of their service, they provide environmental reports to their clients detailing exactly how much carbon is being saved by choosing their services. What this means is that everything has been independently assessed by carbon footprint. At the end of that process, you can be sure that their claims on offsetting all the emissions are completely valid. Environmental regulations do now mean that companies are required to segregate all their waste, and the environmental reports that Buckley Morris provide to their clients detail all of this for them. The refuse-derived fuel process takes waste that cannot be recycled and uses it to create heat and power and avoids landfill, and reduces the client's emissions by 325 kilos of CO2 for each tonne of waste that goes through that process. Each of B&M Waste's environmental reports details for the client the carbon savings made and equates that also to equivalent number of miles travelled and number of trees that have been saved. The broader context of B&M's sustainability programme includes 2 important charity projects, which are Clare House, the Children's Hospice, and also Shelter. Internally, they have a graduate recruitment programme as well as an apprenticeship programme within the company. And further to that, over 90% of people working for B&M come from the areas in which they operate. Looking forward, B&M Waste will implement innovative new processes and technologies to further reduce their impact on the environment whilst delivering world-class services to their clients.